Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Alibaba. The report was first published on our website Friday, June 24, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Alibaba? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since May 26, 2022, our system ranks the Alibaba stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 2.041. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 24.49% since we first told you to buy Alibaba 20 days ago. This is an average return of 1.22% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Alibaba, our last headline reads, Green Day on Friday for Alibaba. The Alibaba stock price gained 4.91% on the last trading day, Friday, June 24, 2022, rising from $112.11 to $117.62, and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 3.32% from a day low at $114.30 to a day high of $118.09. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 7.02% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -6 million shares, and in total, 27 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.18 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $230.89, and the lowest price was $73.28. Right now the price is 49.06%, or $113.27, below 52-week high, and 63.17%, or $201.70, below all-time high October 27, 2020, where the price hit $319.32. The stock lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $119.11 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -2.36% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -32.95% and -0.27%. The 12-month trend indicates a -51.63% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -81.58% and -52.16%. This equals a price between $21.67 and $56.27 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Alibaba stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Alibaba stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Alibaba. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Alibaba stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $107.57 and $96.13. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, June 8, 2022, and so far it has fallen -1.67%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 83 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 21 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 17 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Alibaba. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $110.19 and $109.90. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Alibaba finds support just below today's level at $110.19. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $109.90 and $102.24. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $3.79 between high and low, or 3.32%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.24%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Alibaba. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Alibaba currently has a price-earning ratio of 34.49. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Alibaba meets first resistance at $119.62. If you do not hold Alibaba shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Alibaba finds first level of support at $110.19, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Alibaba is buy. Our recommended stop loss is $113.50, minus 3.50%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 11 days ago. Is Alibaba stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 27th, we expect Alibaba to open down negative 95 cents and start trading at $116.67. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.